14 years, such a historic moment. We're very happy, we're very proud. Welcome. We have a long road ahead, long journey. This is the start of a new chapter, as the Prime Minister mentioned. And we will be with you every single step of the way. So we're looking forward to making sure the MOUs that we signed yesterday can take into effect. We hope that we can send some people to Timor-Leste and also welcome many of you here for training, for discussions, to see how we can collaborate better. Congratulations, we're so glad. Sangat bersejarah. I want you to try.
Terima kasih Malaya.
Janela informação ba Emogoto, atua tem informação atual dia Clio, kita haluha, hane botão subscribe, like, halo comentário, no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.